So for those of you that invest in EVs, this is something to pay attention to. Toyota just announced solid state batteries, and there's a few other companies that are getting into this technology as well. Let's dive in. So get right to it. Toyota is working on a solid state battery technology that their first generation will take the range of cars to 745 miles, second generation 932 miles, and the charging time, get this, will be about 10 minutes. On top of this, Toyota has over 1,000 patents on this technology. To put things in perspective, as of 2023, here are the top 5 cars, EVs, with the longest ranges. These are all 2023 models. At the top of the list, you have the Lucid Air, which is 516 miles. Then you have the Tesla Model S at 405. Then the Hyundai Ioniq 6 at 361. Then the Tesla Model 3 at 358. Then the Mercedes EQS sedan at 350 miles. So as you can see, these solid state batteries will almost double the range. Now, a big question is, what is the difference between lithium-ion, which is how all EVs today are pretty much powered, and the solid state batteries? So the big difference is with lithium-ion, it's a liquid or a gel. And the issue is you can have leakage as well as overheating. Now with solid state, there's no gel, there's no liquid. It's just exactly as is stated, solid state. And this reduces the risk of overheating. In fact, there is no risk to overheating in this case. It's just a really dense, compressed battery, and that creates that long range. So another question is, who's in the race? So out in front, it's Toyota. Then you have Honda, Peugeot, Citroën, Vauxhall, Mercedes, VW, Ford, BMW, and Hyundai. These companies are all working on solid state. You're probably paying attention there. The one company you did not hear is Tesla. So what's Tesla doing? In this case, Tesla has decided not to move forward with solid state. They're moving in their own direction, working on what's called the 4680, which is their 4th generation lithium-ion battery. They can actually, they believe, and I was doing some reading online, they can get to market faster with longer ranges than waiting until solid state is actually at a decent cost. So with that in mind, what is the timeline for solid state? Toyota's aiming for 2025 in their hybrid vehicles, and then fully electric 2027. So it's actually a few years out. Vauxhall is aiming for 2026 EVs, and then Nissan is 2028. All the other companies I mentioned could be 2030 or later. So we do have a little bit of a timeline here, but as investors, what should we do? What I would do is go into Tykr, selfish promotion here, and add these EVs to your watch list, because if anything changes between the summary, that's that overall rating of a stock, if it changes between on sale, watch, or overpriced, you're going to get a notification letting you know what's happening. And this way, you can really let the platform keep an eye on the stocks to let you know what's changing, especially Tesla. I think you're going to be okay here through 2023, 2024, maybe even 2025. But as I mentioned in the Toyota review video, the competition is heating up, and this solid state technology could be a game changer. We want to keep our eyes on this to just really see who's the market leader, how it's going to impact sales of vehicles. Again, I think Tesla investors, you're going to be okay for a while, but keep a close eye on the competition. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more like it, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to keep your eye on other EV companies or learn about other stocks, go ahead and check out Tykr.com. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.